So now, guys, we actually been predicting a bullish move on EURJPY, right? So EURJPY has literally been giving us that bullish move, right? So you can see it's literally giving us bullish, especially if you have to zoom it out, right? You can see that market is literally trending to the upside as we are having a series of higher low, right? Market has literally been trending to the upside. A series of higher and higher low is what market does. Now, guys, if you have to zoom it in, you will see that within this level right here, market is ranging, right? So market is ranging within this level, right? Now, if you take a look at this right here, market was able to reject from this support several times. So we had this market push up, then it came back, it's rejected from our support level. The market was able to push up to tap our resistance. The market rejected from the resistance and dropped back to our support level. The market was able to reject from our support level and came now push up to tap our resistance level. The market was able to reject from the resistance level and drop back to our support level. Now, if you take a look at it right here, so we are now having a rejection that's now eventually push up to tap our resistance, right? Now, from this our resistance level, now add a rejection that made it drop to our support level, where eventually market was able to rally back, right? So market has been able to rally back. So now, if you take a look at it right here, this is the bullish move that market did give us, and here comes the pullback, which is the higher low, right? Market was able to push up again to form a new high, right? And here comes the higher low. Now, market has been able to push up again, which is a form to high. So we would expect EURJPY to continue that bullish move till it is able to tap this resistance level. You can see that it is clearly ranging, right? So this is one of the reasons why EURJPY continue that bullish move. It taps our resistance level, which is this resistance level. So guys, continuous movement to the upside is what we are going to be expecting on our EURJPY. So EURJPY did push up right here. Then here comes the pullback phase. Market then give us push up, and this is the pullback phase, right? Now market then give us a push up again, and now this is the pullback phase. Now we'll be expecting market to push up, so we will continue that push up, able to fully tap this resistance. So continuous bullish move is what we'll be expecting on our EURJPY. So subscribe in order for you not to miss out on this update.